My name is Fahad. I'm with Mayur sir. And this time around, we're going to see mini ADA aquariums.
Mini ADA or Dua,
the same, for
same
starters.
same company. It's a small bowl or a small tank,
Okay.
kind of a thing that anyone can use it. Keep it at home, decoration purpose.
Less space
beginners.
consuming. Fantastic. We'll start with this one.
Yeah.
The vertical one. So take us through this. Kya kya hai isme?
It's very simple. The concept is unique. Okay. The design is unique, and you can have a few guppies in it. With a few plants, a small tank can be put under any light.
Is there no oxygen? Is that the reason the guppies?
There is oxygen. Yeah, there is oxygen in, but it's just slow. And guppies are naturally top-dwelling fish.
Okay.
They like to be on the top.
Okay.
ऊपर नीचे आते जाते हैं. See, they keep going up and down. They like doing that.
ठीक है. So क्या है dimension इसका? लोगों को शायद स्क्रीन पर नजर नहीं आएगा बराबर.
ये approximately 5 inches. Yeah.
Square, basically 5 inches. How big?
Square and height थोड़ा about 10 inches होगा.
Okay. How much will this cost for roughly?
6,000-8,000 rupees.
What is inclusive in that?
The tank, the sand, the stone.
No filtration, right? In this
इसमें ज़रूरत ही नहीं
ज़रूरत
है.
नहीं.
You need a small air pump.
ठीक है, ठीक है. लाइट का जरूरत है इसमें?
लाइट आप जो भी लगा लो.
ये प्लांट लगाया.
जो भी लगा लो.
ठीक है. ठीक है. That is
जो भी
not
घर का लाइट के नीचे लगा लो, विंडो सिल पे लगा लो.
और वो इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, राइट?
हाँ.
This is another Dua. I like this one, sir. This is very creative. More like a bouquet.
So this is a cypress plant. It's available in all ponds wherever you go. बाहर जब जाओगे तो इसमें हमने नीचे moist रखा है, ठीक है? और we are allowing it to grow, and it's just growing.
Is the light important?
Again, these all work with sunlight,
Okay.
ambient light. विंडो सिल में रखने के लिए अच्छा है.
Okay. फिर इसमें पानी भर के आप डालने वाले हो, right?
नहीं, आप चाहिए तो डाल सकते
डाल
हो.
सकते हैं.
नहीं, जरूरत भी नहीं है. Whichever want.
Okay. How much is this cost?
Same, 6,000-8,000.
6,000 rupees. ठीक है. This is very creatively done, especially the stones.
So I've used a combination of aquatic plant and normal garden plant. This is like a philodendron species garden plant. This is Hemianthus macranthemines cuba. Yeah. This is a hydrocotyle species.
Okay.
You just put it in combination just to give it. So this can be kept on an office table. किधर भी रख सकते हो.
Okay.
Some greenery, in your surrounding kind of a thing.
ये कितना होगा? नहीं 10 inches square?
ये 20 centimeters, 10 inches. हाँ.
10 inches roughly.
20 cube.
Same price, right? 6 to 8
Around that much
more or
only.
less.
Around that much.
One of the most creative ones, this one. ये बहुत अच्छा बना है.
ये एक यूनिक थॉट प्रोसेस है इसमें कि एक एक्चुअल रिवर में कैसा होता होगा वो दिखाने के लिए हमने किया है. ऑल्सो ये दिखाने के लिए किया है कि आलतू फालतू लाइट लगाने से प्लांट उगता नहीं है.
अच्छा.
प्लांट्स नीड गुड क्वालिटी लाइटिंग.
ओके.
यू जस्ट कांट यूज अ घर का ट्यूब और एन एलईडी.
पर आपने किया था प्लांट इसके अंदर.
वो प्लांट आप देख लो कैसे जा रहा है. सेम हाइड्रोकोटाइल स्पीशीज ये भी है, सेम हाइड्रोकोटाइल स्पीशीज ये भी है.
But this light is different.
This is actually a light used for plants.
How much is this costing?
This is about 15,000-18,000.
15,000. Fantastic.
So we can actually customize. That's not a problem.
Okay.
We can customize a lot.
What if somebody wants, like you said, customized aquarium? So will you, do you have certain set of designs where you can send people on WhatsApp and they can see an order?
See, what we generally do is, I don't like this chatting on the phone, chatting on WhatsApp.
Neither do I, yeah.
Okay, ये कोई बात समझ में नहीं आता है. उनका thought process, expression समझ में नहीं आता है. I prefer, if you want an aquarium, you want me to guide you, you want me to help you, come here.
But practically not possible for a lot of people to do that.
Possible. So if you are not accessible in Bombay and you can go to my Bangalore office.
How many
Do that.
cities? How many cities does ADA Gallery exist in?
We have
India?
we are our head office in Bangalore.
Okay.
We have branch offices in Mumbai and Calcutta.
So only 3 in India?
3 major cities.
3 major. Okay.
We have retailers who will guide you,
Okay.
like Akar Aquarium in Borivali.
Okay.
These kind of people we have all over India. Okay.
So what if somebody wants to find the nearest branch? Can they go to the ADA website?
Yes, they can go to the ADA India website.
Okay.
That is www.adaindia.in, and there is a way where you can actually look for the shop closest to you.
Okay. Okay. Do you have, can somebody order stuff from ADA website? In India?
You can request. We will guide you as to how to get it.
Okay.
And if somebody does not have, and if you're in a remote location, we'll try and help you.
Okay. Okay.
We will try and make sure that you get the product.
Okay. Fantastic. So before we end the video, can you talk a little bit about the plants that I see?
So these are a concept of tissue culture plants. Plants are tissue cultured.
Could you shed some light on
All-
tissue culture for people who don't understand what tissue
Tissue culture is when you say, letture say you take a small piece of a leaf or a stem, it's called a tissue.
Okay.
Plants are so unique. Okay. Plants and trees are the only things that are infinite, nashwar. They do not die. Okay, they regrow. Only humans can kill them.
Right.
Okay, that's the only ones who can actually उसको खराब कर सकते हैं या स्पॉइल कर सकते हैं या उसको काट सकते हैं, बर्बाद कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, they are infinite.
Right.
So every piece of a plant, there is life in it. Okay, and that is what, when you take a small bit and you put it into a medium which allows it to grow, it will grow. A new plant is generated.
Okay.
But this has to be done in a very sterile condition, hospital type condition.
Okay.
That is why it's called tissue
So
culture.
who are you targeting this for?
Everybody, hobbyist. So ये जितने भी आपने
ADA लेना जरूरी है ADA aquarium?
नहीं कोई नहीं.
So what if
You
they have
want
a normal
plants,
river
you can
sand
buy.
with fertilizer and all, they can
See, don't hold me responsible if it doesn't grow,
Okay.
but you buy.
you buy.
Okay. So every plant that you see, जो भी plants आप देखते हो यहाँ पे, वो सब tissue culture में है.
Okay.
So whatever plants you saw till now is all available in tissue culture.
Say for instance that Anubias you're talking about, how much you can get it for, sir?
See, the Anubias is a unique plant. Okay. The Anubias is a very unique plant. It's a rare plant. And in tissue culture, we are the only ones in the world doing it.
Okay.
Okay. And this pot is available at say 800-900 rupees
800-900 for one.
for one. But then you have about 8-10 plants in it.
But it can grow very fast within a month's time.
No. It will take 3-4 months to
3-4
grow.
months.
It's a slow growing plant.
Okay.
But you have 8 or 10 plants in it. So actually, in a sense, it is cheap.
Okay.
Because one plant outside in the market, single plant costs you 150 to 200 rupees.
Okay.
So here 10 plants would have costed you 2000.
और इनके लिए वो tools लेना भी जरूरी है, right? The one that you showed.
If you
The tweezer
use
and
those
all.
tools,
Yeah.
you can get better results. Okay. वो कुछ लोग अपना हॉस्पिटल वाला भी लेके चिमटा लेके करते हैं, बट वो रिजल्ट उतना ही आता है उसका.
जी. So ये लेना जरूरी है. आपके पास ADA sand होना, soil होना जरूरी है. Then you want that.
See,
वो जो
ये
800 वाला
जो
आपने दिखा
रीजन है, ये जो जरूरी कुछ भी नहीं है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन आपका रिजल्ट क्या चाहिए आपको. यू वांट अ हेल्थी एक्वेरियम, you want a normal aquarium.
I have a question, sir. A lot of my subscribers told me that ADA ka, even if you just buy the empty glass aquarium with nothing inside, that is also very expensive because of the glass that you talked about. What if somebody has their own cheaper glass?
They can use all ADA products.
They can use, right?
Yeah,
The rest
yeah.
of the ADA products, so that will help them
See,
bring down the cost.
so ADA has 1500 products. You can buy them individually.
Right.
एक सॉइल का बैग अलग मिलेगा. आई विल शो यू नाउ. ओके, सॉइल का बैग अलग मिलेगा, एक सिंगल टूल मिलेगा, एक सिंगल प्लांट मिलेगा,
So people who are
एक लाइट
conscious
अलग
about,
मिलेगा.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
See, it's up to them.
They can do
It's
that,
up to
right?
them. Correct? It's totally
People
up to
who
them.
have creative mind, are conscious about their budget, they can
See,
do
it's totally
this
up to
thing.
them.
Right.
It's totally up to them. We are here to give you the best result. Okay. We're here to give you the best quality product.
Okay.
What you want to buy depends on what result you want, and it's your choice.
Okay. This brings me to the next question. What if somebody staying in, say, Guwahati, watches my video, wants to order one of these?
We will give you connections to order one
will
also.
you not ship from here?
We may not ship from here, but we have associations or shopkeepers, online business people who will ship our product to you.
What if people from Bombay want to call you and you can get them delivered to your home, or you want them to come here and
Again, see, we have arrangements for everything. We don't personally do it. Okay. But we have arrangements. We have people who will do it for you.
Okay.
So we will connect you with them and you can collect the product. But if you're in Bombay, come here.
That's better.
You will get more choice.
And you'll get
to learn stuff.
from
Yes.
Yeah.
You'll get to learn stuff.
So what days are you open here?
We're open Monday to Saturday.
Okay.
Sunday only for Fahad.
Thank you so much, sir. Sorry to trouble you.
No, वो नहीं है. Sunday usually I like to keep it for myself.
Okay.
I don't prefer even on Google and everything it says Sunday holiday. It's because we can do some of our own work. एक दिन हमारे लिए भी चाहिए ना.
Personal time तो सभी को चाहिए. So what are the timing?
See, we're open 11 to 8. Okay.
And it's quite difficult for anybody to locate this place. What is the best landmark, sir, to reach here?
See, I have people from all over India come here. Okay. If you can use the Google Maps.
Oh, it's there.
You just say Stillwater Aquatics, Maharashtra.
Stillwater Aquatics,
Maharashtra.
Okay.
वो choice आ ही जाएगा, and it'll bring you right in front of my gate.
ठीक है.
It's very simple. Use the facility. Use technology.
People who don't know how to use technology, there's always a number on the screen. Call them up.
Please call.
For any assistance.
Please call and we will direct you.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you.